Actress Sonam Kapoor Ahuja recently returned to her London home with hubby Anand Ahuja after spending lockdown period in Delhi and Mumbai. Now, after completing her quarantine period in London, the actress took no time to hit the gym. On Monday, Sonam posted a picture of herself from the gym. In the photo, Sonam can be seen sporting a mask. She wrote, "First day out of quarantine and straight into the gym. Matt Parsons, you are very mean. On a serious note, I did not think I would be so happy to get back at it." Sonam's father, actor Anil Kapoor, too commented on the post with a series of emojis. On the work front, Sonam was last seen in The Zoya Factor, which also featured Malayalam star Dulquer Salmaan. The film, which is an adaptation of a book of the same name written by Anuja Chauhan, fared below expectations. Actress Malaika Arora has resumed shooting post-COVID-19 lockdown. The actress recently joined the sets of India's Best Dancer and opened up about her mixed bag of emotions. Malaika shared a string of pictures compiled in a video from the sets. Along with it, she penned a post, "India's Best Dancer. Stepping out of the house to resume work after almost 4 months. Had a mixed bag of emotions, excitement, nervousness, happiness, fear. Things are definitely not the same, but the show must go on. With extra precaution, extra efforts, and a prayer that everything goes well. We all are restarting our lives and our work. The team went out of their way to make all of us comfortable and left no stone unturned to take all the necessary steps to ensure all the safety measures were in place. Felt like my first day of school after a long vacation, and I was so excited to meet my old friends." Malaika is currently seen judging dance reality show titled India's Best Dancer. Apart from Malaika, choreographer Geeta Kapoor and Terence Lewis are a part of the show, hosted by comedian Bharti Singh and her husband, writer Harsh Limbachia. Actress Alia Bhatt shared a cute childhood picture of herself on Instagram on Monday. Alia captioned the post, "Spread some love." Several B-Town celebs reacted on the picture. Alia's Gully Boy co-star actor Ranveer Singh wrote, "Aw." Actor Hrithik Roshan wrote, "Too sweet." Actress Deepika Padukone said, "Cutie." Bipasha Basu commented, "Pudding." Alia's elder sister Shaheen Bhatt called her "My Cutie." Speaking of Alia's work projects, she will soon be sharing space with Ranbir Kapoor and Amitabh Bachchan in Ayan Mukherjee's Brahmastra. Her next release and OTT is Father Mahesh Bhatt's Sadak 2. Bollywood action star Vidyut Jamwal is happy that his films are releasing on OTT platforms because now people can watch his films on their own and decide whether they would like to watch somebody or not. Vidyut's upcoming film Yara and Khuda Hafiz have bypassed traditional theatrical release and will be releasing on the OTT platforms ZEE5 and Disney Plus Hotstar VIP respectively. He insists he is not disappointed that these films will not hit the big screen. "I don't get disappointed about anything in life. Like they say, when the right time comes, right thing happen. Maybe this is the right time for the right thing to happen," Vidyut told IANS. Asked question on what is this arrogance about not releasing in theaters, Vidyut said, "This is so good. The whole nation needed to watch my movies. There are people who would not watch a Vidyut Jamwal film. Now they would know who is this guy and then decide. Normally what happens is people don't go to the theaters because critics have their own opinion." Bollywood actress Huma Qureshi was recently papped by the shutterbugs in Mumbai's Bandra area outside Ageless Clinic. The actress also posed for the paps. Huma Qureshi kept her look casual in black sweatshirt paired up with black pants and was seen sporting a mask. On the film front, Huma will next be seen in Bell Bottom. Inspired by true events, the film is set in 1980s. The story is about one of the India's forgotten heroes. The film is directed by Ranjit M. Tiwari. It is written by Asim Arora and Parvez Sheikh. Bell Bottom is scheduled to release on April 2, 2021. Actress Anushka Sharma is quite active on social media. Recently, she shared an old video of herself getting a face massage. Anushka took to Instagram to share the video. She wrote, "Throwback to the time when someone touching your face was relaxing." Sandhya Shekhar doing her customary massages before she starts makeup. Anushka recently produced one web show named Patal Lok and a movie named Bulbul under her production banner Clean Slate Films. Actress popular dancer Nora Fatehi shared a funny video on Instagram on Monday. In the video, Nora can be seen in two different get-ups. She captioned the post, "Seema from Mumbai is gangster." Nora is an avid social media user. On the work front, she will next be seen in Bhuj, The Pride of India. The film also stars actor Ajay Devgan, Sanjay Dutt and Sonakshi Sinha in key roles.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.